In our busy lives, energy drains quickly from juggling work, family, and personal responsibilities. But mindfulness offers a simple solution. By practicing mindfulness throughout the day, we can restore our energy and refocus our minds. In this video, we'll explore practical mindfulness exercises from different traditions, Christian breath prayers, business focus resets, Buddhist breathing techniques, Taoist meditations, and Native American nature-based mindfulness. These exercises can be integrated into your daily routine to help you regain focus and stay energized. In Christian tradition, breath prayers are a way to center yourself on God's presence. Try this simple practice. As you breathe in, silently say, "Lord, fill me with your peace." As you breathe out, pray, "Lord, help me release my worries." This mindful practice allows you to refocus on God in the middle of life's distractions. Breath prayers are simple but powerful, helping you stay connected to God and restore your spiritual energy throughout the day. In the corporate world, focus is often fragmented by the constant influx of emails, meetings, and notifications. But mindfulness can help. A quick 2-minute focus reset allows leaders to pause, take deep breaths, and clear their minds before making important decisions. By focusing entirely on their breathing for just 2 minutes, professionals restore their energy and sharpen their decision-making abilities. This exercise is perfect for anyone who wants to cut through the noise and regain clarity in their workday. In Buddhism, mindful breathing is the foundation of mindfulness practice. The idea is simple. By focusing on your breath, you bring yourself fully into the present moment. As you breathe in, feel the air entering your lungs, and as you breathe out, let go of any stress or distractions. This practice helps Buddhists cultivate inner calm and restore their energy, especially during moments of stress. It's a simple yet effective way to reconnect with the present and restore balance. In Taoism, energy restoration is about aligning yourself with the natural flow of life. Taoist meditations focus on being present with the flow of energy within and around you. One simple exercise is to sit in stillness, breathe deeply, and imagine your breath flowing like a river, effortless and calm. This meditative practice helps restore energy by bringing your mind and body into harmony with the natural world, allowing you to release stress and embrace calm. In Native American traditions, mindfulness is often practiced through a connection with nature. A simple mindful walk in nature allows you to restore energy by tuning into the sounds, sights, and feelings around you. As you walk, focus on the ground beneath your feet, the rustling of leaves, or the chirping of birds. This connection to nature helps clear the mind, recharge your energy, and ground you in the present moment. These practical mindfulness exercises from various traditions offer simple ways to restore energy and stay focused. Whether it's through Christian breath prayers, a focused reset at work, or mindful breathing, each of these practices can be integrated into your daily routine. By making mindfulness a habit, you can cut through distractions, regain focus, and restore your energy to handle whatever life brings.